Ito ang latest chika mga mosang. Donnie at Belle, di kayang pagtaksalian ng isa't isa. Sa isang panayam na tanong ang magkasintahang Donnie at Belle tungkol sa pagtataksil. Naurirat sila kung kaya ba nilang patawarin at bigyan ng second chance ang isa't isa kung sakaling may mangaliwa sa sino man sa kanila. Ani ni Belle, depende raw sa sitwasyon ang lahat. It depends on your story, it depends on your choices, and it depends on what you want. So I think it's always case to case, anya pa. Dagdag pa niya, kailangan daw na timbangin muna ang lahat ng mga pangyayari bago gumawa ng anumang desisyon, lalo't pat may bagay ding dapat i-konsidera kung bakit nangalawa ang isang partner. I feel that is impossible to have a generic answer to this question because everybody has different circumstances and situations. So they have to take that into account and I guess make a decision that will make the best sense to all parties involved, diba? Hirit niya. Gayon pa man, naniniwala pa rin naman siya ang option ay nasa mag-asawa o mag-jowa lalo pat dito rin nakasalalay ang kanilang kaligayahan. And I guess the best sense would be what would make them happier and better people. Is it separating? Take it a second chance? A third chance? A fourth chance? I guess for me, if Belle and I end up in that point, hopefully di naman, what will make us better people. Say ni Donnie, pero ayon naman kay Belle, ang pagluloko ay isang bagay na hindi nila kayang gawin. Of course, from the very beginning, we don't condone, we don't agree with cheating. That's something I don't believe in, ani ni Belle. Yeah, definitely, but it is a fact that does happen to many relationships around the world and that's a choice that they have to make if when it happens. Sagot naman ni Donnie.